This video is part of a series of videos that guide you through the steps to prepare and paint your pool with LUXAPOOL swimming pool paint. In this video, we will show you how to abrade an epoxy painted pool prior to painting with LUXAPOOL Epoxy pool paint. Abrading the pool surface creates a mechanical key for optimum adhesion of the pool paint. Before you begin, ensure that the pool surface has been cleaned with LUXAPOOL concentrated wash to remove body fats and oils. To know more, watch the video titled How to Wash with LUXAPOOL Concentrated Wash. Also ensure that any surface imperfections, such as cracks and divots, have been repaired. This is shown in the video titled Repair with LUXAPOOL Structural Epoxy Filler. To abrade the pool surface, you will need 20 to 40 grit sanding discs and an orbital sander or angle grinder. Wear safety glasses, a dust mask and hearing protection such as earmuffs or earplugs while abrading the pool surface. And, of course, sunscreen and a hat if you are out in the sun. Abrade all of the existing epoxy pool surface with 20 to 40 grit sanding discs using an orbital sander or an angle grinder with a Z disc. The surface needs to look dull and feel rough. Check for glossy patches missed during abrasion. These will result in delamination of the new epoxy coating if they are not dealt with properly. Go back and abrade any missed patches. Remove all of the sanding residues with a dustpan and broom or by vacuuming. Take care to remove dust, as dust residues really compromise adhesion of the paint, leading to flaking or peeling. Then rinse the pool thoroughly with water and remove the last traces of fine dust. Drain pooled water and allow all of the pool to dry thoroughly.